So our purpose at Audit Wales is to assure the people of Wales that their money is being well managed, to explain how it's being used, and to inspire and empower the public sector to improve. If you think about those words, it tells you about the extraordinary responsibility that we carry in our work, responsible for the audit of over £27 billion of the public's money in organisations ranging from the Welsh Government itself right down to the smallest community council. That is a phenomenal reach and a phenomenal responsibility. The thing that knits all of our work together for me is trust. You know, we live in a time when people are less trusting, it seems to me, in lots of institutions. We know from the feedback that we get that we've bucked that trend, and people do trust what we do and how we do it. And I want us to retain that trust over the next few years. But bluntly, when I leave in a couple of years' time, you know, we will be still an organisation of about 300 people. And it's the people that make this place and the people that matter most. So I think there's a huge opportunity for us to continue to develop the fabulous people we've got right across this organisation.
So I don't have a finance background originally with my degree. I studied political science at university in the Netherlands. Accountancy wasn't something I'd considered in great depth. I think the Monty Python accounting sketch had something to do with it. As a child, I thought that accountants were grey in suits and all wanted to be lion tamers. You know, I was really glad I had that myth dispelled because I've really enjoyed my time here. It was really varied work and I've learned so much along the way. It's the people here that make coming into work so wonderful. It's that which makes it, for me, a really great place to work and quite different from a lot of the work environments I've been in before.
What makes me proud about working for Audit Wales is that I have a real sense of purpose here. It's inclusive, it's non-hierarchical, it's collaborative. It's holistically just a great place to work. From the role that I deliver to the people that I deliver that role with, I just enjoy coming to work every day.
Wel, dwi'n falch iawn o weithio ar Chwilio Cymru. Mae'n lle gret i weithio, mae'r pobl yn hynod o gyfeillgar. Ond hefyd, dyn ni wir yn gwneud gwahaniaeth yng Nghymru. Dyn ni'n sicrhau bod arian cyhoeddus yn cael ei wario yn gall. Ond hefyd, dyn ni'n edrych am arferion da, a dyn ni'n rhannu'r arferion da, dyn ni'n dod ar draws efo sefydliadau eraill i gwneud yn siŵr bod Cymru yn elwa o'n gwaith.
I think the main thing I enjoy is the variety of work that I do. I get to meet lots of different people who are really passionate about making a difference and the job that they do. I think this is a really privileged position to be in because I learn a lot, both in terms of the audit that I'm trying to deliver, but also on a personal level as well.
Auditing's changed a massive amount in my career. You know, I've been an auditor for 20 years, but what we're seeing now is, you know, a real drive towards, you know, greater digitalisation, the introduction of AI, for example. You know, that's really important development and it's only growing. So the important thing from our perspective is to keep up with that, looking at ourselves as an organisation, how we skill ourselves and tool ourselves up to be able to respond to that and audit that effectively and really assess you know, how that's progressing and how it's being used.
The challenges we see all around us, financial, economic, social, environmental, Audit Wales has an absolutely critical part, I think, in both responding to all those things. We need to think really carefully how we're going to navigate through that kind of environment as an organisation for the next few years. But we are also in a phenomenal, unique position where our work can influence for the better how the whole of the public service and wider society rises to those challenges as well. So that's where we need to be focused, in my view, through everything that we do.